Galay goes to his left. Ooh. Meron pa tayong fun fact ngayon, Coach EJ, gaano karami ang ating left-handed players combined?
Gusto ko rin malaman no? Pero kasi pag left-handed, parang automatic shooter ang naiisip mo eh.
And it's totoo bang difficult to guard ang left-handed kasi kakaiba eh.
Oo, kasi normally pagdating sa Madrid, pag nagcha-challenge ka, normally ang pag-depensa mo ay pang right-handed.
Galay with that Don Pacundo 3-point shot.
Babasa isa. On the spin, Galay, naiwang libre. Smooth 2 points from the long range. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Score is still tied at 67 with 7 minutes and 45 seconds sa fourth quarter. Straight 3 from Galay, giving back the lead to Carmona. Leonard Galay, pinutol ang pag-aapoy ng run ng Cavite City. Yagas medyo nabitin sa reverse layup niya. Galay ulit, iisa pa ba? Back-to-back basket from Leonard Galay. 5 straight points at yan din ang kalamangan ng